Hey there. So today we are going to go ahead and go over what exactly is a trading strategy. We're going to be using Archaide, the AI trading coach inside of Archaide, to actually help us understand some really, really key things, right? What is a trading strategy? Why does a trading strategy matter? And how can you use a trading strategy to trade with clarity instead of just guessing? Okay. And again, Arcade is, you know, an AI agent that is, meant to develop your skills in trading and also unshackle you from having to trade manually, right? So we're going to be learning the very basics of trading, along with actually launching a fully automated trading bot and everything in between inside this one platform. I'll explain more at the end, but for now, let's go ahead and dive right in. What is a trading strategy? So we're going to submit that prompt to the AI, and it's going to go ahead and think, uh, assess, the questions, and give us hopefully, a really robust response. Okay, so we'll just pause here for a little second, and before you know it, there it is. There's the answer, right? So, what is a trading strategy? A trading strategy is a set of predefined rules for making trading decisions. Traders use these rules to identify whether to enter and exit trades and to manage risk. These rules can be based on various factors like price patterns, technical indicators like moving average or relative strength index, or specific market conditions. For example, a simple trading strategy could be buy a stock when its 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average and sell when the opposite happens. Okay. Why does a trading strategy matter? A trading strategy matters for several reasons. Number one, discipline. It provides a structured approach to trading, which helps eliminate impulsive and emotional decisions. Number two, consistency. By following a set of rules, your trading becomes more consistent, which is key to long-term success. Number three, risk management. Strategies often include rules for managing risk, such as setting stop loss levels to limit potential losses. Lastly, on this note, performance measurement. With a defined trading strategy, you can track your performance and identify what's working and what's not, enabling you to refine your approach over time. Next up, how do you use a trading strategy to trade with clarity instead of just guessing? Okay. So to use a trading strategy, you first need to define your rules for entry, exit, and risk management. Let's take an example. Entry rule: buy when the price of a stock crosses above its 50-day moving average. Sell, exit rule: sell when the price crosses below the 50-day moving average. Risk management: never risk more than 1% of your trading capital on a single trade. And again, risk management can be what you're willing to risk, but also, so like that's effectively your stop loss, right? So, again, we can go into some of these topics later on as we begin to develop our trading strategy and launch our bot. But hopefully, this kind of gives you a really, really good understanding of what exactly a trading strategy is, um, and why they are important. It's actually the cornerstone of any successful trader. Um, think about Warren Buffett or Jim Simmons or Ray Dalio or whoever you've seen. Each of them has what do they call it? An investment strategy, a trading strategy, a philosophy, whatever words they use to describe. They have rules that tell them exactly when to enter, and in Warren Buffett's case, he never exits, right? But in the event that he does, when to exit, right? So it tells you exactly when to do what, okay? And under what conditions it makes sense to do that, right? And with the simple goal of making money, okay? Um, and again, that's super key. Some people confuse a trading strategy with a goal, right? So some people, I ask them, "What's your trading strategy?" And they say, "Well, buy low, sell high." That is a goal. That is not a strategy, right? Um, so that being said, let's continue reading what the AI has to say. So once you have your rules, you follow them strictly. You only enter a trade when your entry condition is met, and you exit when your exit condition is met. You also ensure you never risk more than your predetermined amount on any trade. This way, you're not guessing when to buy or sell. You're making decisions based on predefined rules. This gives you clarity and can help you improve your trading results over time. Remember, the key to successful trading is consistency and discipline in following your strategy. And so, again, to be more practical, right here, you could look at charts about your 50-day moving average, or you could just set up a bot, right? So Again, in Archaide, we're going to be able to actually build a fully automated trading bot. And so we don't have to look at charts all day long. You could be at work, you could do whatever inside the same platform. In fact, here I'll kind of zoom out and show you. So we just finished trading 101. We're inside this framework, the Your First Bot Challenge, and we are going to be going over trading strategies right now, right? So we just finished what is a trading strategy, right? We're going to be going over more stuff in the next videos. And once we're done with this section, we're going to actually begin testing out our trading strategies and then eventually launching our first bot. So hopefully that was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you have a question that you want to plug into this thing, just let me know as well, and I'll be happy to ask the AI the question as well. But until next time, I hope you have a good one. Talk soon.